Okay, we'll complete the table for x cubed plus x minus 3 if x is 1. So it's going to be 1 cubed, which is 1, plus 1, and then take away 3, and that's going to be negative 1. If it's 2, we're going to get 2 cubed, and that's 2 times 2 times 2, so that's 8, plus the x, which is now 2, take away 3, so it's 10, take away 3, that's 7. So it's minus 1 and 7. I'll probably make that very clear. I'll try to make it clear. Explain why a solution to that lies between x is 1 and 2. Well, it's because y goes from negative to positive. That would be my answer. Probably might you well write negative like that and positive like that. If I want to try and explain it to you, if you're not too sure what I mean, if we plot these points, so we've got 1 minus 1, so this bit is the first one, that's this one here, 1 across there, and that goes down 1 there, and the other one when x is 2, so it's 2, and it's got to be 7, which is right up here, so 7. And so we got that. So we got the first point here and the second point here. At some stage between those, it has to cross this line, and that's where it equals 0. Okay, so somewhere, because it's negative here, minus 1, and it goes all the way up to 7 here, somewhere between these two, it must actually equal 0. So that's why, hopefully it makes it a bit clearer. Right. Use trial and improvement to find this between 1 and 2. Well, I'm going to start off by know that if x is 1, then x cubed plus x minus 3, we just worked that out, that's minus 1. So that's pretty close to 0, so I reckon it's going to be closer to 1 than it is to 2, so I'm going to go, for example, 1.3. And then I've got to do 1.3 cubed plus 1.3, and then take away 3, and if I do that, I get 0.497, etc. Okay, so it's going to have to be less than that. So I'm going to try 1.2. So I've got to do 1.2 cubed plus 1.2, take away 3 at the end, and that equals negative 0.072. Right, so now it's going to be somewhere between these two here, between 1.2 and 1.3. I don't know which one it is. It's likely to be 1.2 because it's closer, but what I need to do is I need to do 1.25, and that will see where we got. So I've got to do 1.25 cubed plus 1.25, take away 3, and that is 0.203. And now I'll go switch to red so you can see it has to be the same as here, somewhere between a negative and a positive. And I've got a positive here, and we've got a negative here, so it's got to be somewhere between these two. So that means it's got to be somewhere between 1.2 and 1.25, and that means when I round it to one decimal place, where any number between 1.2 and 1.25 will be 1.2 to one decimal place, and so that's the answer. And that may not be completely clear, but I really have done my best. Okay, and that's 19 done.